Dear students of Standard 7, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class of English for today. Today we will read Lesson 9, A Friend of the Poor, and Lesson 10, Waiting for a Torchbearer from Unit 4. A Friend of the Poor. In the picture, we can see Dr. Mahmoud Hassan. Dr. Mahmoud Hassan is a kind-hearted, responsible doctor. He gives free treatment to the very poor people of the village and healthcare to others at a very little cost. He enjoys his work. As he is getting older, he needs a torchbearer who will take the responsibility of the poor people in the village. Students, let us see what is our work in exercise A in lesson 9 of unit 4. We can see a figure of some circles there. In the middle circle, there is written healthcare center. Students, we have to fill in the circles with words related to a healthcare center. One is done for us, we can see written treatment. Now let us fill in the other circles with words related to healthcare center, which are common in use. Medicine, patient, doctor, diagnosis, and cure. Students, these are the words commonly related to a healthcare center we know. Now, let us know more about Dr. Mahmoud from an audio.
Mohammad Hassan is a doctor. He was born in a village in Mymensingh district. Mr. Hassan got his MBBS degree from Dhaka Medical College in 1966. Then he joined the government service. During the Liberation War of Bangladesh, he worked in a Red Cross hospital. There, he saw the sufferings of the poor people. It changed his mind. After the war, he gave up his job and went to his village. He set up a healthcare center there. At first, he started the center with his own money. Gradually, the people of the village found out that Mr. Hassan was very friendly and helpful. So they began to help him in various ways. He has trained a number of young boys and girls as health assistants. Under his guidance, they have been working in the center. Now, they regularly visit the people of this village and of other neighboring villages to give treatment to the sick people.
Lesson 10, Waiting for a Torchbearer. We can see a picture here. In the picture, we can see it is about a reporter and a doctor. We can understand that the reporter is interviewing Dr. Mahmoud Hassan. Now, let us have a look on the report. The reporter is interviewing Dr. Mahmoud Hassan about his dream. Reporter: why do you choose this village for your work? Dr. Mahmoud: The people of my village do not get proper healthcare support because of poverty. I have chosen the village to give them a little healthcare support. Reporter: how much does a patient pay for the support? Dr. Mahmood: they pay a very little and very poor people get free treatment. Reporter: isn't the work very hard? Dr. Mahmood: yes, it is, but I do it with pleasure. Reporter: what is your future plan for the center? Dr. Mahmood: you see, I am getting old, so I am waiting for a torchbearer. Many students get MBBS degree in the country every year. I am waiting for one of them. He or she will take responsibility for treatment of the poor in this area. Exercise C, we can see there is a table and in the first column there are some words. We have to match the words with their meanings. Let us match. Take charge of, have control over. Poverty, the situation of being poor. Pleasure, the feeling of happiness. Responsibility, duty. Students, there is a term in your text MBBS. Let us see the full form. MBBS means Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Students, there is a word in your lesson, torchbearer. It is a new word for you. Let us try to be clear about the word. Torchbearer. How many words we can see there? Torch and bearer. What is the meaning of the word torch? Torch means light or fire. In Bengali, moshal. Bearer means carrier. In Bengali, bahunkari ba bahok. Now let us see what is the meaning of torchbearer. In Bengali, in one word, it is guide or alok bortika. A person who leads or guides or inspires others in working towards a valued goal, that is, a leader of a campaign or one who gives inspiration to others or shows the ways like a light shows. In Bengali we can say, যে ব্যক্তি অন্যকে একটি মূল্যবান লক্ষ্যে কাজ করার দিকে পরিচালিত করে বা অনুপ্রাণিত করে. As for example in our text, Dr. Mahmood Hassan. Hope you have understood. Thank you, dear students. Stay safe and be blessed.